Are you from Albuquerque?
No, from New York.
Oh, you're from New York.
Yes, just touring. We happened to stumble upon you guys.
Yeah. What do you do?
We're trying to travel all 50 states with the Lambo.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool. Very, very cool. All right.
Alfredo Tapia.
Representing. Is this one of your cars?
Mine is a mini truck. Crazy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's called an dancing bed.
Did they actually allow you to live in here, or the cops don't like it?
They've never stopped me. But I'm very courteous and careful about it. I don't go crazy with it. I'm just like driving really slow or at a stoplight, close it before I start driving.
Oh, okay.
Cruising legal.
Yes. Let me open it. But all our luggage is in there.
Oh, shit.
Where we go?
Not very much, just a few more lights.
Messi, and my luggage, my shoes.
This just proves that you can
Blankie.
do road trips with a Lambo.
Because you insist.
Yes, you insist. If there's a will, there's a way.
Started from New York?
I should be to California, and I'm starting from California, Nevada, Arizona.
And then back to New York.
As far as we know, we're the only
Oh, I have to
neon signs.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Maybe remember, we got 7 members, and all 7 of us have the neon sign up that way.
Very nice. And how long have you guys been together?
1986 is when Bedrock first started.
You guys been a long time.
you want me to
I'm happy to see that the car scene is alive and well, and the cops, don't get in the way.
Yes,
Where we're parked, we're not blocking anyone. We're not bothering anyone.
You guys try this in California.
Oh, I know.
Ain't gonna last very long.
Yeah. Well, it used to be illegal for many years over here, and then the people went to the city council and got them to legalize it.
Oh, okay, great. Yeah, I read an article about it, how they tried to stop it.
Yeah.
Eventually, everybody got together.
Yeah. But you still get these troublemakers, like the guys doing burnouts and release, and they're ruining it for everyone.
That's the way it is in Delhi.
After them, they leave us alone because we're not causing any problems. That's the thing.
Era, have your wife go sing with the car and take a
Oh,
picture.
okay.
yeah.
You want to take a picture in the 40-liter car? cars are beautiful. Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. And with the lowriders, the goal is to be different, but to do everything very meticulously. You know, it's like the pinstripe he's got on the visor. That's all done by hand. It looks perfect and symmetrical. Everything is.
You guys definitely have all my respect.
My cousin did all of my hydraulics and everything, but my cousin has also worked on other members of the club to do their suspension and other welding stuff.
So it's all like very tight community.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
We all try to help each other out, and like if someone's looking for a part, we're like all searching for that part for their car.
And that's what every car community should be like.
And then
everybody watching after
and
each
then
other.
we're really lucky that we have one of our members owns a tow truck company. So if somebody breaks down, he's there to help us.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, my best friend is also has a tow truck company, and he's definitely comes in handy when there's a problem.
Oh yeah.
Man, that system must be really expensive. Or unless you built it.
My cousin built it, so I got a good price on it.
Yeah.
But let's see, I paid him $3,100 for his labor, and then I bought all the materials. So that's about $6,000 total.
It's worth it.
Yeah, it's a lot of
worth
fun,
it.
and it's very different. I'm the only one in New Mexico that has the 4 stages. It's called 4 stages because it goes 4 different movements. There's 2 other trucks that have 3 movements, back and side to side. Mine's the only one that goes back and forward. Side to side.
Nice. Bedrock! Awesome!